What is? No story time. I guess me have to go do no story time now, cause. Alright, story time.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God them with my glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself and some more that please them.
Alright, so right now it's story time. And this story is kind of a different story from what me are telling you from Woody, you know what I mean? Cause from Woody me are going some stories, some joke stories, some jokeful story, you know what I mean? Una laugh, some una cry, una laugh till una cry at my pain. You know what I mean? Me telling you say me head swell big and still a laugh. Me telling you say spoon going on my forehead and still a laugh. Me telling you say me shit up myself and still a laugh. Me telling you say me buck off my big toe and still a laugh. Me drop off a bus in a gully and still a laugh. You know so when you narrate me come to a conclusion. So yeah, today's story is just something different. You know what I mean? Wanna say a sad, well, it is a sad story. It is a very, very sad story. But it is a story where I decide I'm gonna share with you today. Okay, primary school, Buff Bay, Jamaica, Portland. You know what I mean? Music at Buff Bay Primary School, I'm telling you already. I did some shit up myself. Well, 1 year, me in a summer school. Me in a summer school for 1 year, and it was actually, me would never forget this, never, ever, ever in a life. The story me will never forget this in a life. Alright, it was the last day of summer school. Buff Bay Primary School, the last day of summer school. Me remember the day the canteen, the open. Me go canteen, me get white rice in a like a blue plate, and they used to give food in a some blue plastic plate like dish. Me get in the plate there, it was white rice, bully beef and spaghetti. Cause you know Jamaican, when them try stretch something, them always had more thing to it. So if you don't know if 10 of them and them cook one bully beef and them want to share, them go boil noodle or boil spaghetti and add it to the bully beef and mix up that. Adjust the sweeps. That's how we stay, we can't help it. So it was the last day of primary school, summer school. And me in a full suit of black, as me I tell you, me remember go canteen, white rice, bully beef and spaghetti. That was for lunch. Me enjoy my lunch, me I say yes, 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 summer school done, yes. Finally, come a little bit of rude and bad, me can't stress the fact if you don't believe me. So it was the last day of summer school, me good now, me can stay home and get trouble. Me can get my slingshot, me can shoot bird. Me can just be wild. Remember me telling you all me want to do was just be wild. Summer school I don't know, me can go back to being wild, you know what I mean? So me excited, me well want go me hard, well want go me hard. When me go bus stop now, the first bus me see, me know the doctor, cause the doctor live cross me. So me I say, the bus don't look like it a move no time soon, cause the bus empty. But him say, yo Junior, you go up, and me say, yeah, he say, alright, go on in. Me I force somebody in the bus. Me do up at the front, me there in the middle of the bus, cause remember me a little pitney just walk up and down all over. Me climb over, I see them, me there on the back, me there everywhere. Now people start coming on the bus, so me there on the back seat, the back seat to the window. Cause me love window seat, back. If you notice, every time me fly on a plane, it's a window seat. Go back and look at every vlog. It's a window seat. Whether when me go New York, window. From New York to Canada, window. From Canada to Florida, window. It's just something about driving. Me feel like me have to have the window seat. Anyway, me in the bus now, and the bus are kind of, people are coming now. So you know what I mean, I'm ready for do road. Me there run at the back seat of the window, sit down, and a man come in and he must say, yo, schoolers, make him get the seat there. Remember, you know, me are 10, you know. Me I look on the umbrella like, I can't me a deal with, brother. I can't me a deal with. And he look, he must say, yo, make him get the seat. So the doctor come round and the doctor asks, what go on? True me know the doctor, you know. Me I say, yo, me good, you know, man. Me good, no boy can't take me off of the bus here, you know. Cause I'm a neighbor that, you know, him live exactly across the road from me. When me say exactly, me mean exactly across the road from me. Boom, me dead there and him a tell the doctor say, yo, I the seat them want the window seat. Remember my money no way not me now. Me not pay no, cause when me go up on the youth bus, me not pay. You know what I mean? So me don't not pay. Him a pay money and him a big people, him a big somebody, he's a big man. You know say the doctor, him look for me and him say, yo Junior, forward up your sucker. You soon come off. And this a brother you go we a Port Antonio, so me it would have make sense him get a seat like that anyway. Cause you know want get up when people are come out of the bus if you go far. But me want my window seat, so me I look like me I say yo me nah move in the dog. And the man say yo Junior just forward up your son and just make him go on. Me say alright, me listen, me forward up there. Then at the bus now, me in the bus I screw up my face, you know, begs, you know, cause me want my window seat, you know, begs, you know, dog. Me I say, no bus gonna take a man's seat and my face just well screw. Remember, it was like probably 5 minutes from each part I live. 10 minutes. It was 10 minutes from each family live, yeah. It was about 10 minutes. Well, say the maximum is basically 10 minutes from each family live to where this take place. Where the bus stop and them let out somebody out of the bus. And out of nowhere, me just hear just like that. When me look, me can't, it's like, me so shocked when me hear that. Because me I say, what the hell is this and what just happened? A coaster bus slapping at the liquor bus. It's a small bus me you know. And the coaster bus slapping at the back of the bus. Slapping at it. When me say slapping at it, me mean full speed. Slapping at it. Me start say like, remember you know, me little bit you know, so me in a bus and me I say, how what this? Me look me a baby a ball, me see people a ball out, me look a beer smoke. I'm like, what the hell? Me I try process in my mind and I make me alone sit down in a bus cause everybody a come out of the bus and me in a bus and look like me I say, I want to go and so me come out of the bus now. When me look, me see the back of the bus fling away, you know, cause full bus, it flip way around, so you know, like, it no flip over, but it go up and fling sideways, so when me come out of the bus, me I look this side, you know, remember this side the bus are going, so me I look like, nothing now make sense to me. Me see people are come out of the coaster bus over there, so people are come out of the coaster bus, me see one little baby with the head, right as I head, like, you just see for me and my cut, the baby there come out right as I bleed. And me sit down there, and me there, me stand up as a little youth, and me I say, what is me a witness? And me not put 2 and 2 together because everything me in a shock. And it's just so crazy because people are ball, smoke, all of me full of blood, you know, me blood up, but I don't feel my blood, nothing never do me. Me go so me head full of glass, me full of splinter. When me look, the brother me see brother hop come out of the bus. The brother will tell me if he get up and take on my seat. Me see my hopper come out of the bus. You see the back of me heel back. The whole of heel tear off down in him shoes. Me mean say him heel back literally. Remember I bus back him there, you know, and the coaster slap up in the back of the bus. Him heel back rip off in his shoes. So just the front part of his foot wall. Imagine me a little boy and say that. I remember in my seat that you know, me do you forget that you know? Yo, if me did that so, to me small, a dead mother probably dead you know, cause if you lick this a brother and tear off him foot, it'd take off probably whole of my leg. The whole of my leg would have gone, you know. Cause, and me a look at me and say, Pumba dog. And yo, it's like me can't move, me can't talk. And me just a look around and me a look around. So when me a walk around now, Me see a man on the ground. So me a continue a ground. When me look this a brother here, the whole line top part and here so flat. Squish out on the ground. Me a say what the is a dead man this me a witness in my life, you know. Yo, the brother where did a doctor on the coaster bus. Me no remember how we go, how we, if I did jump out, cause he said that go lick, and when the bus lick, the coaster swings up, and I think he run over him. So I saw him flat out on the ground, you know. So when me grown and see that now, I then me I say, yo, this can't real. Either me a dream, or me I see all of this, me probably dead. This can't real. This a brother you lie down here so flat out, dead. Woman over there so bad, people are all chest, foot broke there so, hand broke there so, baby head bust up there so. And I'm like, what the hell is this? You know, say, me just look off and me just book it towards me yard. Me just do road towards me yard. Me remember, me a run, cause me a telling it's like 10 minutes. When me say 5 minutes, it's like a 5-minute drive but a 10 minutes walk. So I run, go me yard, you know, me a book it, you know, me a book it cause me little bit, and me a book it cause me in a shock same way, you know. And me remember when me reach up on shop, me say Gighead. And Gighead and him friend they up that play domino, and me I say, yo, me no want Gighead ask me nothing, you know, cause me can't talk, me still in a shock. So me head bush, me turn in a some bush so. And when we cut out around the shopish for Gighead there, me cut out back on the road and burn it down me yard. Burn it down me yard now. Me reach home, me just sit down. And me there in one corner in the yard, just sit down. So my people them look like them and say, oh, you come back from school. But me not talk. Through yard big, you know, me the one side of the yard and then the way over suckers. My father he forward down from Florida. My uncle he forward down from Florida. So big cooking a go on in my yard. Big pot of soup and people down my yard. So they must say, oh, Junior go from school and he just do over this so sit down so. Him do something. Cause remember me road, you know. They must say, either me do something or me not go school, but something happen. Yes, when they come up close to me. No, before that, me a jump a story. Them did it and me remember all me a hear was ambulance, police car, just a fly past. Because me live up on the hill, you know, so we have a wall and we can stay up on the wall and see everything we drive past. When my people them look now, my people them say, what go on above beer? Cause normally if something that go on, I would have something probably go on above beer like fire or something. So everything from up the way I seal a good on so now. So they must say, what's some fire truck and sitting and go? You wanna know say I come over to me now and when them a walk I come to me, they must say, oh me look so, oh me so blood up. Cause well me tell them me blood up, you know. They must say, oh me so blood up and the whole of my head full of glass and splinter and them something. But they actually lick up my foot. Until this day me have a bad knee. So that's why if me work out, if me run too hard, before me even get tired, my foot start at me. So remember now, everybody start panic like them and say, what do you, how the hell your blood up? So they must search me to see if me cut up or something. Me still not talk. In time me still not talk. Me just a look so. Remember me just a dead man, you know. So me just a look so. And them a question me and me not say nothing. Same time, Gighead reach up now, cause Gighead say, Gighead I come up for dress now in a boot, him a put on cause him have on slippers and something, cause he about the accident, sat down at the accident, him a go. But through Gighead a hot boy a road, you know. Gighead come up now for put on boot and make everybody know say, if they not go down the road, big accident go on. I saw him come see me now, and him a say, shit, a accident done so me now. So everybody a put 2 and 2 together now, boom, them jump in a car, say them a rush me to the hospital cause me not talk, me just a look. Jump in a car, yes, when them reach down each part, everything happen now, the dead body is still out there. So them a look and them a say, bombard, people did dead out here, and them a look and people injured there, so people did this ambulance still a shoot off with people. Car go with people, cause remember, you know, there was a full small bus. And everybody in a small bus, something do or them a go hospital. In the coaster bus now, the coaster bus, most of the people in the coaster bus, they just shake up. Who in the front, they mash up and the doctor dead. That was it basically. But when we reach down there, they must see all of that. Them rush me go hospital. They make way for a car drive through. Rush me go hospital. Only thing me do was then just wipe off the blood off of me, comb out my ear, cause then that check for see if nothing there for me, and them like me do a basically a little physical, a little test for see if everything alright. Them time them start talk now. I come back to me sense, me and say, yeah, me alright, and but me still, you know, me still tacky. So it's like me just act weird. Me that act weird for probably around a week after that, because me tell you me a little boy, and for witness something like that, me de traumatized. Me not lie, me de traumatized. That I would have never forget the event here. Never in a life will forever forget this. It is crazy. It is way too crazy, and the fact that somebody dead and me see the person here right there so dead, and the brother here tell me say get up and give him the seat. Whole of female back rip off of me and say I could have made that, you know, I could have dead if I didn't mean I bust back this and the impact they would have probably killed me. And I saw me and say, you know, I mean I say that me I pray. But me I say, yo, moral of the story is, while when you're in a bus, if somebody say, yo, get up and give him the seat there, give them the seat. You never know who they out there look out for you. You never know who might out there look out for you. Things happen in a mysterious way. Imagine if me did say, yo, me nah give you the seat and me just sit down. Imagine if me did do that. This a brother here, me still a picture it every day. If the story will come up in my mind, me can see it clear as day. Me a tell you right now, and me a steer in a space and everything unfold in my head. Everything just happen. Me still a see brother lie down. Me still a see the baby. Me still a see the man heel back, tear off in them shoes, everything. Just like right now to me I see it, it like it happened yesterday. Literally yesterday. When I tell you it's crazy. It's just a story that we just want to forward and share with you know. And all of the story them are gonna make on a laugh and joyful and nice. Because of story time. So you know what I mean? I got all kind of story. The story was a sad story. Very, very sad story. So leave a like, leave a comment. You know me on the talk already. Let's talk in the comment section. If you don't want a dopey story next, if you don't want a ghost story next, me just want everybody say, yo, ghost story. Just comment be a ghost story, say dopey story, and you know about Jumbi. Me I gotta tell you about Jumbi in the next one. Big up on yourself. Me G's them blessings and respect if you come check out this. Remember, if you want a story and more story, say more story or say dopey story in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Blessings and respect. Mad up on yourself. Remember if you click the like button before you click off. Mad thing. Oh.
Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.